Ta-da! Just by happenstance, today, as I'm about to do my unboxing on my birthday gift from my best husband, I realized I lost my mic cover in New Orleans. So it's perfect that this gift came in today. All right, on with the unboxing. Ta-ta! I hope I didn't expose all my information. That's in there. Ta-da! I can't never just do things where it's gonna be easy. Okay. So I have a tab. Oh, okay. That's empty. Usual books. Ain't nothing ever gonna be easy. That's the bag. It's like a soft cottony bag with a little loop. This is what I lost, my little mint wind muff. Feels like it's two in here. Silica bag. That's it for that. Oh, it's so cute. It's the top. Press to unlock. You see that? Press to unlock. Ah. Oh. I'm so goofy. Okay. So little transmitter. Receiver, I think. It's so tiny. USB-C. Yeah, another little transmitter. That's it. It's in there pretty good too. It ain't gonna just fall out. So it's charging in the box. So I'm assuming one of these is a charging cable. It still has two dots showing it's charged. Yep. Camera and charging cable, just as I thought. And then it looks like it's probably four of these little muffs in here. I tell you what, DJI, they packaged their little stuff good. Yeah, the little windscreens, two gray ones and two black ones. So this is everything that it comes with. Okay, so I am going to get my mini set up, and when I come back, we'll test out the audio and we'll see how it sounds. So testing, boop, 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 boop. So let's see if this is picking up the audio. We'll be able to try it out from far away, and I'll be able to see if it's picking my voice up from the... I'm gonna go all the way across the room, and I'm gonna see if I can see it's actually picking up my audio. I can't see that far away, but I'm thinking I'm gonna talk low so that I know it's coming from this microphone and not the actual camera. La 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 la. I think it's working.